Thanks for tuning in for another flight test on Essential RC. So today, lovely day with a little bit of wind, so I thought I'd show you this FMS Ranger 850, a little baby high wing trainer, perfect for anybody wanting to try RC model flying for the first time. So this Ranger 850, as well as a lot of the other FMS trainers, is available in ready to fly and plug and play format. Basically, for ready to fly format, you get everything you need, including the radio transmitter, the receiver that is already pre-installed in the airplane, the battery, and the charger as well. And you do not get those with the PNP version. You're expected to have your own. So this is pretty easy to put together. Let's do that now. Okay, so everything unboxed and on the table. These are all the components. You've got two manuals, one for putting this Ranger together and how to operate it, and another manual for the radio itself. But let's put this together. So take the fuselage and look underneath. You'll see there is this slot. That is where the mains landing gear goes. Orientation wise, you have to make sure that it is raked backwards like this. If you haven't done that, just rotate it 180 degrees, insert it again, and it will be. And then there are two plastic tabs, 4 screws to hold it in place. And then look on top of the fuselage inside the cabin. You'll see there are 2 leads. These are for the ailerons. Connect those up to the 2 leads coming from the wing. Then press the wing on top of the fuselage in place for now, and you'll see there are struts coming from each side of the wing. Those slot into the fuselage and you slide those forwards so they lock in place. Attach the wing to the top of the fuselage using the provided screw, and that's it. You're ready to go. Just need to charge up the flight battery with your included charger, put 4 AA's in the radio transmitter. Let's head down to the flying field. Okay, taking off full power, pull back on the right stick a little bit, and she climbs away. Nice. So stable, even on a 5 to 10 mile an hour windy day. Gives you that confidence straight away to do the little low passes. So this is in manual mode. I've got self-leveling mode and optimized mode with stabilization. Look how I can throw this around already. It's got more than enough power to do loops and rolls. Just a really simple high wing trainer. I'm flying it quite low here just to show what it looks like. But as a first time fly, you're definitely going to be flying about that high, I would say. 3 mistakes high, as my instructor Alan used to tell me. I'm sure you'll appreciate me throwing it around so you can see it a little bit closer. It's surprising on that small 2-cell 850 milliamp hour pack how much power it's got and how long it will fly. I think out of that one pack I'd probably get about 15 minutes of flying. Alright, time to land. Keep the nose up and flare and down. Fantastic. So the link for this is in the video description and a pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again on Essential RC. Bye.